Okay, hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is William Daniel Prince and I will continue with you on this tutorial. Okay, we have been designing this flyover since we started, so I would love that today's tutorial we should try to finish it. Alright, I'm assuming that all of us are on this stage already. Please, if you don't have the fonts, just go and get some fonts on the shop page. Alright, because we have around 500 fonts there available for use. So this font that I've used is called Stretch. The font is called Stretch. If you want me to spell it, it's S-T-E-R-R-T-C-H. Stretch. Those are the two fonts I've used for both the course and the introduction to CorelDRAW. So the first text I would like to add down is learning from the best. After I'm the best, right? Learning from the best. Now, we will try to give a little balance on it. If you have not watched the tutorial on introduction to graphic class, it's a free course on the website. Please, I would love that you take that free course seriously. So learning from the best. What I want to do now is to go to properties and change the font, maybe signature. Voila. Something like this. Learning from the best. And I would like to still keep this my color, the same color on my course, on my introduction. And how do I do that? You have to come to this guy, that uniform field. You click on it. Then you come right down here and you click on I. Color I dropper. You click on it. Then you go and click on where the color is. Voila. Perfect. So now the next thing I would like to do is to put my academy logo on it. I hope you are following up keenly. If it's disturbing you, feel free to pause the video and come back there. Then I would like to also play on the colors. Under properties, color outline should be 0. Oops, nothing there. Yeah. Then maybe I would love the inside to be white. Okay, then when it's white, I would like to beautiful. I hope you know how to do this. All these things I'm doing right here, there are things that I've taught you guys how to do it already. So I'll just plead with you that you should just go back and follow those tutorials, because it will be time consuming for us to go back to what we already know how to do. Alright, but you fix the edges, you curve the edges by coming to the shape tool and holding and dragging it in. Okay, nobody should get angry at me for not telling you what I did. Okay, now from here I would just like to add Web Tech Academy, and that will be all. Web Tech Academy.com. On this case, when it comes to balancing, right, I would love to allow my listing on this my font on this on the area font, or if not, I'll have to look for a composite font or a normal font that will not stress my put out my design, something like poppins. It appears I don't have the font, and in the next tutorial we'll be doing fonts. Okay, so I'll choose to allow it because the information ought to be visible. Then if I was the one, if let me say, assuming this was my design, I would like the Web Tech Academy is visible. Introduction to course 1, introduction to CorelDRAW course 1, learning from the best is visible. Maybe the next thing that I might have want to work in is importing an image, but for me I'll allow like this. Then I'll import this as my JPEG, or we'll make sure that we save this file for you guys. I'll make it available to the templates available on the link below. You can download the template from the link below. So I'll put it first flyer. Let's say you're doing your first flyer. I'll put your first flyer here. Download the file as a CorelDRAW file and you'll be able to edit it. So actually we have been doing a design, and I believe this is standard design. So if you're able to do this at this level right now, it means I can say you're a pro in graphics already. So we'll be seeing how to make a font, how to install fonts on CorelDRAW. Then from there we'll design another beautiful flyer. From there we'll design a complimentary guide, and from there we'll also design a logo on CorelDRAW. I hope you're happy for this remaining 4 videos. See you in the next tutorial.